was tired of having to do my natural hair all the time, so I'm starting a micro lock journey now. It started off as just mini braids, but then I just went smaller. And I was like, well, I don't feel like taking these down, so I might as well just start my micro locks. So I wanted to film this part of me doing this side of my head. It's kind of slanted, but that's okay. I mean, I don't really care like that. I'm still gonna be able to maneuver them and whatnot. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I use and my technique for it. And yeah, just sit back and watch. So what I'm gonna be using is the Curl La La. Oh no, this is not Curl La La. Why did I say Curl La La? Anyways, the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. Okay, and I'm gonna be using, you already know, come on now, Aloe Aloe Rose leave-in butter infused with shaving powder, and that's it. That's all. I was using some less jam, but like I was like, if I'm using these two, why do I need to put all that product on my hair? It's unnecessary, right? So I'm just gonna do the first one for you guys, which is this piece right here, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm wearing a lace trainer, and I'm also fried, you know, so it's just gotta balance out. Just gotta balance out, that's all. Hair that bounce back, OD healthy, okay? Don't you ever doubt that. Cause look at that bounce. I'm gonna stretch this out a little bit more though, cause I want it to be like on my forehead, you know, for a little bit. But yeah, I can just tell. Okay, let me stop wasting y'all time. Come on. Take me a little short break, you know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. And we back. Let's turn it down. Had to take a break and give me some herbal tea. This is rosemary and hyssop. Finally done with the front section of my hair. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and do it a little shake. I know you see them inches, don't play. But I'm not gonna finish the second half of my hair until tomorrow because this took a very long time. There's a lot of mini braids, but I will show you the finished result. And this is the finished result. This is officially day 1 of my micro lock journey, which is April 7, 2023. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys, and thank you so much for watching.
Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot.
Hey you guys, before you leave, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my other platforms, Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.